welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Large landmarks are becoming synonymous with Canada, and nowhere is this truer than Alberta. Beaverlodge, a picturesque town, celebrated its 75th anniversary of incorporation on July 21st, 2004. And what better way to mark this milestone than by unveiling a giant beaver sculpture on the highway corridor? The brainchild of a local entrepreneur, the Beaver project was born out of a dream to give Beaverlodge a symbol that would uplift town spirits and entice tourists to this charming corner of the world. The idea sprouted wings in February of 2004, and with the unwavering support of the community, grant applications were filed and donations poured in. Crafting this engineering marvel wasn't a simple task. It took almost 341 liters of polyurethane, approximately 50 liters of paint, and 18 blocks of foam to bring the giant beaver to life. Constructed in two sections, the beaver itself and the mighty log it sits upon, the sculpture was built by Heavy Industries in Calgary, with the site meticulously prepared by Dick's Sand and Gravel. On July 16, 2004, the Grand Monument arrived as the magnificent beaver sculpture embarked on its journey from Calgary, escorted by Domart Energy. Through the bustling streets of Edmonton and up Highway 43, it finally found its rightful place in Beaverlodge, Alberta. But the journey didn't end there. Northern Lights, ATCO, First Choice Electrical Supply, Northern Bottling Limited, and Prairie Signs added their magic touch, providing lighting and signage to complete the project. So now let's talk numbers, shall we? The impressive beaver weighs in at a whopping 680 kilograms, while its sturdy log companion matches it pound for pound. Standing proud at 5.5 meters long, 3 meters wide, and 3 meters high, the beaver is certainly hard to miss. And let's not forget about the log. A substantial 1.5 meters high and 6 meters long, it offers the perfect perch for our furry friend. So if you ever find yourself journeying through northwestern Alberta on the iconic Alaska Highway, make sure to pay the Grand Beaver sculpture in Beaverlodge a visit. It is more than just a roadside attraction. It's a symbol of community, creativity, and the undeniable charm of small-town Alberta. Now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.